Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to find FII buying stocks easy guide. First, check net buy data from exchange reports and track FII flows for each stock daily. Focus on volume spikes, price action, and sector trends when FIIs increase purchases. Use screening tools to filter high net buys and combine with fundamentals for conviction. Keep a simple watch list and review positions weekly to stay organized and disciplined. Scan official exchange websites and trusted data vendors for FII net purchase reports and ownership updates. Compare daily net flows across sectors and markets to spot accumulation patterns. Use filters for market cap, volume, and price change to narrow candidates with high FII buying. Visualize trends with charts and export data for backtesting. Set alerts for sudden spikes so you can research reasons before following big FII moves. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more clear videos. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum keeps your study space tidy while you research FIIs with voice control and smart mapping that saves time. It even avoids cables so spreadsheets stay neat. Check the description for the link and other deals. This is a small upgrade that makes work easier. Now let's get back to the video. Treat FII buying as a strong signal, but not a guarantee. Always confirm with fundamentals and news. Check promoter holdings, foreign inflows, and institutional behavior to avoid false positives. Watch for sustained net buying over several sessions and rising open interest in derivatives for conviction. Combine technical support levels with FII accumulation to plan entries, size positions sensibly, and define stop losses to manage risk effectively regularly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.